Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to find out if your PC can run any game, whether it's GTA, Fortnite, Valorant, or any kind of hippie title. Let's get started. So you can check your PC specs for that. Press Windows plus R, and once you press Windows plus R, just go over and type in DXDiag and hit enter. If you do it, here you will be seeing your processor, your memory, graphics card under the display tab right here, and you can just go and look out for it, and even your Windows version, and see if your device is compatible with the particular game that you're trying to access or not, and pops this up. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and look out for Task Manager. Go over and look out for your Task Manager, hit enter, and after you open up your Task Manager, you can go to the Performance section. And within the performance right here as well, you can check your GPU, CPU, RAM, and even storage speed and see if that game works properly on your device or not. And apart from that, you can check your game's requirements as well. Every game should show the minimum requirements and the recommended requirements. You can mainly compare your CPU, GPU, and RAM to have the game operate smoothly on your device. And what you can do is even go ahead and compare your CPU and GPU and your benchmark. So you can go to different websites available for that. You can access your website for that and you can type in gpu.userbenchmark.com and hit enter. And you can even look out for the CPU user benchmark and then hit .com, and you can just go over and compare your game and it will tell if your hardware is stronger or weaker. So you can just go over and confirm this test right here. And that's it, everybody. If you have a good SSD, that should make a very big difference and improve loading times and reducing the lag. And that's it. Now we know exactly how to check if our PC can run any game with official requirements and online tools. So thank you for watching this video and make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tutorials.